Let's be honest. How much of what you learned in school do you actually use in your daily life? Sure, we need to know basic math and how to read and write. But what about the really important stuff? How to manage money, build healthy relationships, or cope with stress? Are schools setting us up for success in the real world, or are they stuck in the past? Many young people feel like school isn't relevant to their lives. They're told to memorize facts and figures, but not how to navigate the challenges they face outside the classroom. We're graduating with degrees, but lacking essential life skills. It's time to ask ourselves, is school failing us? Think about the skills you need to thrive in today's world. Communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and problem solving are essential. Yet, these skills are often overshadowed by standardized tests and rote learning. Where's the curriculum on managing your finances, understanding taxes, or investing wisely? What about emotional intelligence? Learning to understand and manage our emotions is crucial for healthy relationships and personal well-being. Yet, these skills are rarely addressed in traditional education systems. We need to equip students with the tools to navigate the complexities of life, not just the confines of a textbook. We are all unique, with different talents, passions, and ways of learning. Yet, the current education system often treats students as if they are all the same. We are all expected to learn at the same pace, in the same way, and be assessed by the same standards. This standardized approach ignores the diverse learning styles of individual students. Some students thrive in hands-on, experiential learning environments. Others excel in visual or auditory learning settings. The current system often fails to recognize and nurture these differences, leaving many students feeling lost, disengaged, and uninspired. It's time for a more personalized approach to education that celebrates individual strengths and learning styles. We are all born with incredible creative potential. As children, we are naturally curious, imaginative, and eager to explore. Yet somewhere along the way, this creativity is often stifled. Standardized testing and a focus on rote memorization can extinguish the flame of creativity. We are taught to conform, to follow the rules, and to come up with the right answer. This stifles innovation and discourages risk-taking. We need to nurture creativity in education, not suppress it. The future belongs to those who can think differently, solve problems creatively, and bring new ideas to the table. This isn't about tearing down the entire education system. Teachers and schools play a vital role in shaping young minds. But we need to acknowledge that the current system is outdated and needs a serious upgrade. We need to move away from a one-size-fits-all model and embrace personalized learning. Imagine a system that identifies and nurtures individual talents and passions. A system that values creativity, innovation, and real-world problem-solving. A system that equips students with the skills they need to thrive in the 21st century. What do you think? What skills do you wish you had learned in school? Let's start a conversation and reimagine education for the future.